Hey everybody, this is Greg with DC Real Estate Marketplace, and we're going to look at 4 slides today going over the Gaithersburg, Maryland area, which contains Kentlands. And I just want to check out a few things real quickly. The first is the median asking price for this area, and this is a 2-year graph, it looks like. 2 years ago, in late 2009, we're going to look at the black line primarily. That's the weekly data points. The asking price is the median asking price is right at $500,000, and this is one of the few areas where we've actually seen price go up. So we're at $575 as of early October 2011, which is a pretty decent jump in 2 years. This next graph is the average days on market, and again, this is headed in the right direction, or at least it's neutral. There's some ups and downs, of course, but compared to where we were 2 years ago, we're just about the same place. We haven't seen a worsening of the market. Even as the median price has gone up, the days on market virtually the same. We looked at 120 2 years ago. We're at about 121. And you can see that earlier this year, maybe in February, as we came out of winter, we were up about 150. So a month longer, and went down to 95, but crawled back up. So we're at about 4 months on average for homes to stay on the market. I would expect to see that go up a little bit, just like it did last year as we go into winter, and then back down as people take their house off the market. This next one is for total inventory. This one's a little bit surprising. We're actually up since, let's see, 2 years ago. Again, the black line is the actual weekly data points. Looks like there were 280, 290 homes in the market in late 2009. We're up to 325 right now. So even with more homes coming on the market, we were still able to see pricing rise. My guess is that near term, prices will fall a little bit as we work through this extra inventory, but it looks like the long term is still in decent shape at least. And here we go. It's called the Market Action Index. It's just an overall composite number that shows the health of the market. Are we in a buyer's market? Are we in a seller's market? Generally speaking, the lower the number here, the further you are in a buyer's market. Once you're at 30 or above, the higher the number, the more you're in a seller's market. And you can see that we actually did spike once or twice above 30. But on this one, I want to look at the golden line, which is the trend line. So you get rid of the week-to-week fluctuations. Looking at the trend line, 2 years ago, we were about a 17, which is strongly in a buyer's market. The trend line did crawl up to almost a neutral market late last year, September, October last year, and then we've declined since then. And right now we're about a 15, so we're actually worse off overall than we were 2 years ago. But with prices coming up, I'm hopeful that we're in a bit of a recovery for this area. That's obviously not for all of the greater DC area, but for Gaithersburg and Kentlands, we might be seeing a bit of a recovery. If you have any questions, if there are any other areas you want us to do a little bit of study on, feel free to visit our website right here at DC Real Estate Marketplace. You can send us an email. You can give us a call, and we will be happy to help out. Thank you. Bye-bye.